You know, I always wanted a mini bike like this. I used to have one when I was a kid, and I've been looking for one. Kathy found this one at a yard sale and called me up right away. So I went right up there. It wasn't far from here. Paid $40 for it. Put it in the truck. I wasn't going to argue on that price, right? It didn't run. It needed some work. Took it home. There's my neighbor, my favorite neighbor, come down to see it because it's such a cool thing to look at. Showing him what's wrong with it. The pull start didn't work, so I had to take that apart and fix it. And it has an attachment for a battery charger. I'm showing him here, and we're checking the fuses. But it's an electric start too. Imagine that. First start, look at that. It took a while. Had to put new gas in it and clean the spark plug and get that pull start working. Well, then I needed a little help, so our boy Josh came by. And he showed me there was a choke switch I didn't know was on, so we got that fixed. And then the chain popped off when I took a ride. I'm glad he was there because it took two people. Still needs a little work, but we got it. Little adjustment here. Pop a wheelie, and we're off.
Hey, the brake light's working.
My turn. Here I go. Woo! I forgot I had no brakes.
Forgot there's no brakes.
Well, it sure was fun, and I'm glad I could show it to you. I still like mini bikes. I'll take another one if I find one soon. Thanks for watching.